That's video also?
Yeah.
You do a video on that too?
Mm-hmm.
Key limes, the red and key limes. Some of both. I had strawberry. I like it. The red and key lime. For the thing. The red velvet and key lime cupcakes. And clubhouse. At 4 o'clock.
Tell them, hey, Kurt Henry and Company. This is the team that done this whole house. I had nothing to do with it. Kurt is the man. You trying to get me? I'm trying to get you. Look at that. Hey, look. Kurt take care of all jobs. This is his work. Also, we got Radford is in here. What's up, Pete? What you think about this? You on camera, man. Tell what you think about this open house, man. And this ain't an open house for sale. This is an open house for rent.
I got you, man.
Have you been to an open house for rent?
My first time, man. My first time. This is awesome.
Hey, thank you, brother, for coming through. Hey, look, we got.
I went just to look at the block a little bit, just to see what other homes look like. Mm-hmm. And I was like, okay, so this is a good block.
Yeah, it's a good
One
block.
thing I saw that the two houses over there, I don't know if you noticed, they have bars on me over there.
Yeah, they do that. Sean, this right here, this guy right here is my homeboy. He a veteran. This is my dog, Lieutenant. We salute him. Do all the food. Let me show you right there. Barbecue, baby. Thanks, baby. Hey, he can take that gator hat off though. No, sir. He need to take that gator hat off because we don't do them a Florida State in here. If you ain't Florida State, you got to take that gator hat off up in here. You got to take that gator hat. Where the Florida State at? Where Florida? Oh. Yeah. Radford, what's up? My main man Keith, man. See these floors? Look at these floors, folks. No seams. Only seams when it meet the tile. That's right, man. Took care of me. Look at them, y'all. Hey, this is Greg. I'm one half of Radford Homes LLC. If you need me, we buy houses. We get $750 to first referrals, $1,000 thereafter. So if you send me 3 houses, you make $27.50 off the top. No matter if the house is $1 or $500,000. All right, you reach me at 863-410-0877. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, Gregory Radford, and Gregory Radford YouTube, as well as my beautiful, lovely wife, Sabrina. All right, folks, we had an open house here today, and we're looking for the next deal. We need a deal because we need to be rehabbing a house in your community. Give us a call. You can email us also. You can email us. All our information is right here. You can email us at radfordhomes@yahoo.com. Follow us at facebook.com/RadfordHomes. 863-410-0877. Hey, Sean, what do you think about the open house, man?
I think it's nice, man.
You think you like it? We got the before and after pictures right there? Yeah, man. We did a lot of work in here, man.
Look at all that greenhouse.
Yeah, man. Hey, you see my main man over here? Keith Alfred? He did the floors with him and Kurt. They took care of the floors for me. No seams nowhere. They did their thing. That's right. Hey, y'all see what they say right here? We got that fire. You better believe it. Bartow Slad Lake Well representing. Yeah. All right, we got some more folks coming in, folks. All right, that's what we want to see, man. They coming through. They coming to see. That's Miss Camp now. We getting it live. Hey, let's go, picture man. Get hot. Yeah, baby. This is not for sale, folks. This is a rental property. I know you can't believe it. This is a rental property. It is 2,000 square feet under roof and 1,800 under AC with the carport. Let's get a rundown. Crown molding, LED lighting, brand new roof, brand new AC, brand new hot water heater, brand new kitchen, brand new appliances from Home Depot and Lowe's, brand new 18-inch tile, brand new hardwood laminate floors. If you need hardwood laminate floors, this is my main man. He took care of me on that. You got all the aesthetic on the knockdown on the wall. It was no knockdown on the wall. There was popcorn ceiling. Folks, do you hear me? That's what I'm trying to tell you what was going on here. Every window in this house is brand new, up to code and permitted. Electrical box has been changed out. You got to give me a call, 863-410-0877. This is Radford Homes and Company. This is Sabrina Radford house. This is her community. This is her house, and she is making things happen. This is my wife, lovely and beautiful house. And here is our marketing manager. Say what's up, Kiki. Hey, y'all. Hey, listen up, y'all. We want to congratulate Kiki for graduating from Florida International University. Yeah. Kiki did it. Yes, she walked. She walked. Kiki is the marketing manager for Radford Homes. She take care of all our marketing for us. She told her friends she had to go to work today, so guess what? She's working. Hey, Sean, I want to thank you and your wife for always catering Radford Homes event. I don't ever have to worry about anything. I know the food's going to be delicious. You're going to tear their mouth out. I know it's going to be safe. My man is always dependable. We appreciate him. And today, y'all, hey, y'all got to stay tuned because, man, we're awarding this guy right here, man, for what he do for Radford Homes and team. So, hey, also, don't forget, he's a veteran, United States Army, and he also is a lieutenant firefighter in Lake Wells. We salute you, Sean Johnson.
Salute back to you, man.
Yeah. I got my main man, Pete, in here with my sister, Loretta. And Pete is a wholesaler, and he bring me deals. He haven't brought me a deal yet, but I need one. All right, I need a deal. I need a deal below market value today, cash money. Hey, folks, check it out. We buy all our houses cash money. We don't use banks. We don't use hard money lenders. Miss Camp, Queens of Fashion! Yeah, what's up? Hey, Sabrina got it going on. Let her take you through her house.
Okay.
I paid for it, but she getting all the money for it. That's the way it go, huh? Well, I tell you. That's the...
Her granddaughter's
See, you gotta capture this, man. Alpha, you need to be talking to these folks, telling them, Miss Camp.
Yes, sir.
Guess, look at these beautiful floors.
Yes.
Who you think did them? That guy right there. Alfred. He did. Hey, Miss Camp own and operate Queens of Fashion, the #1 urban African attire in Central Florida. And she was all the way in Dubai, representing in my main man, Kurt, in the house. Hey, this is the guy who did everything right here, my main man. Hey, you got Alfred and you got Kurt. Yeah. Hey, where the picture man? Picture man. Okay.
Yo, man, where were you when I was fighting, man? You could have been my promoter.
I know. I could have.
You could have been full of money, man.
You know what? He can take a picture with her shirt short. She was inside.
Buffy, what you think of your girl? Your girl trying to do it, ain't she? Hey, your girl trying to do it, Buffy. Hey, get a picture, man, when you're done over there.
Yes, that's right.
So what do y'all think? I want y'all to go look at the before and after pictures of this house as well. The before and after pictures of this house was in bad shape. We changed everything in it. From the roof, to the ceiling, to the floors, to the air conditioning, to the hot water heater, New toilets. We got an iMac 27 set up in here, and it shows you all the before and after how we did this house. Hey, baby, hit that mouse. Hit the mouse so it'll come back on. Hit the mouse. Just move it.
Well, you know she has a little too. Okay, now what was your name? Andrea. That's not on there. That's not
See my team working? They working. That's what it's supposed to be. LED lighting, crown molding, new knockdown on the wall, aesthetic, beautiful. Give it that look. Brand new windows with window treatment with blinds, put up by my main man Kurt Henry and Company, making it happen. Yes, sir. Stainless steel appliances being left in here, backsplash, porcelain backsplash, with the window being cut out. Kurt got that fresh cut. Kurt got that fresh cut.
I got some dogs.
I ain't got no dogs. I ain't got no dogs. Nah, we good. We right. Albert, what's up? Brooklyn. Man, what you doing sitting out here chilling, man?
Mind your work, my man. Mind your work.
Oh, man. Hey, you see these trophies over here, y'all? One of these got that man's name on it right there. That man right there. That man right there, one of the trophies got that man's name on it. Veteran, man. Lieutenant, firefighter. Oh, I forgot about it. Don't forget he EMT. EMT. Got the cars lining up, folks. Oh, yeah, man. Corner lot, 4-bedroom, 2,100 square feet. Sabrina, what are you doing? You trying to wait for somebody else to come? Well, we're waiting on the general contractor to get here, first of all.
Is he coming?
Yes, and Miss Davis is supposed to be coming, so.
Well, I don't want everybody waiting.
What time is it?
It's after 2 o'clock.
Okay, well, what time is it? There's somebody else coming up right now. We'll go live at 3. All right, we'll make it happen. What time is it? What time? All right, so 2:30? All right. All right, I like that. I'll get you in a minute. Now you're on your job. You're really on your job now because you're telling me what to do. And I like that. That guy right there told me, don't you come to my job telling me nothing to do no more. I got this job. You ain't in charge of nothing. I said, man.
I didn't say that.
Nah, I can't lie on Deke. I can't lie on him. Hello, did y'all see the before and after pictures on the computer? No. Y'all did? All right.
Yes.
There's my cousin, Miss Davis Steen. My cousin. Congratulations, Kiki. She just walked Florida International University in Miami. Oh yeah, going on to get a master's degree, like her mom. What's up, cuz? You ain't gonna believe how I look in there. Come on, I'm a. Let me get in here first before you get in here. Cause I want to see your expression when you come in this open house. You gotta get a picture when you first come in. All right, my cousin, Miss Davis Steen in the house. Look out, y'all. Look out. Sabrina, show her your new house. Yeah. Got your mouth full. Yeah. I got your mouth. Yeah. That wow. Got you.
With them and run my mouth.
Queens of fashion in the house. So talk to me about you and Sean. How long y'all been in business? Because y'all just been knocking everything out the box. Talk to me. Don't you give me that look. You just go and talk to Sean. Let me go talk to Sean. I'm going to leave Sean alone. What's up, big bro? What's up, doctor?